ID number, hello. Roca, hello. This is how we're doing. Osprey, hello. Missionary, hi. How are you, Missionary? Good evening. How are you doing? Hi, ID number. Boko, hello. Hi, glasses. Beltran, hello. Boko, you tap this what if? You send your WhatsApp to me, Boko. Ah, well, hello. Guys, you send your WhatsApp to me. Ah, well, you send your WhatsApp to me. Boko, you send in the inbox. Your WhatsApp. I will message you there. Guys, you tap this what if. Thanks you follow. Do you have WhatsApp, Awel? You send it now. Boko followed me. Hi, Tram. ID number, hello. Smoke, hi. Dayuhan, what are you doing? Oh no, you tap this what if. Long time. Yeah, it's a long time no see. Hi, Demon. Boko, you send your WhatsApp to me, Boko. Hi, Solo. Oh no. Guys, you send this what if. You find antelope. Boko, you send your WhatsApp to me. Do you have? You tap this what if. Hi, sayang. Joke, hello. Mer, hello. Hi, Davy. Yo, hello. Hi, Toto. Real. Real, that real. What are you doing? Boko, you send your WhatsApp to me. Hi, Will. Daddy Ray, hello. Okay, you send your username. Boko. Hi, Will. What are you doing? Hi, how are you? You send your username to me, Boko. Daddy Ray. Hello. Just stop by to say, yeah. Hi to you. What are you doing? Will the trail. Cancer, hello. Smile. Wait. Kuya Dogs, hello. Punjabi, hello. Just flying. Yeah. Oh my God, Boko, I did not see. Bongs, hello. I will comment. Yachin, hello. This is this were 16, Boko. No. Did you see the comment? The word 16. This. Hi, Imran. Yachin, what are you doing? Uno. Where's the 1K Uno? Thank you, Imran. Hi, DQ. Uno, you tap this what if? Hi, JD. Torpe, hello. This is how the bird. Maybe I'm so pretty today. Yeah, chill. What are you doing? Sam, hello. Hi, the chosen one. The chosen one. Hello. Hi, Chain. The gray man. Kamusta ka na? ID number, hello. Renante, hi. Hi, Jerome. Mojako, hello. Bam Bam, what are you doing? Hi, Simba. Akon, hello. This is how we do it. Hi, all in. I'm okay there. Where are you from? Bam Bam. Bam Bam. Bam Bam Bam. Hi, good evening. Good evening. Oh, what time is it there now? Tanvir, hello. Adan, hello. Oh, it's really